There's a major storm brewing in India's clean tech and EV space, and it involves some big familiar names. Gensol Engineering, once a poster child for India's green push, is now at the center of a serious financial scandal. SEBI, the market regulator, has accused the company's promoters, Anmol Singh Jaggi and Puneet Singh Jaggi, who also co-founded the EV ride-hailing firm BluSmart, of siphoning off company funds for their own personal use. And it's not just a small sum we're talking about. Let's break it down. Gensol had secured loans totaling nearly 97 crore rupees, funds meant to purchase electrical vehicles. But according to SEBI, instead of being used for business, a big chunk of that money took a detour. First, the funds were routed to a car dealership linked to the company. Then, the money landed with Capbridge Ventures, a firm run by the promoters themselves. And from there, around 43 crore rupees went straight to DLF for a luxury apartment in Gurgaon's ultra-premium Camellias project. SEBI's order reads a list of financial red flags. That luxury apartment? It was booked in the name of the promoter's mother, and when DLF refunded the booking amount, the money didn't go back to Gensol. It was sent to yet another company connected to the Jaggis. But it doesn't stop there. 50 lakh rupees allegedly invested in a startup founded by Ashneer Grover, 26 lakh rupees spent on a gold set, lakhs more on personal travel, and crores transferred to relatives. SEBI didn't mince words. The promoters, it said, were running a listed public company like their own personal piggy bank. The order pointed to a complete breakdown in corporate governance and internal controls that were practically non-existent. In response, SEBI has swung into action. Both promoters have been banned from trading in the markets. They can't hold any managerial roles in listed companies. Gensol's planned 1:10 stock split, that's on hold too. And a full-blown forensic audit of the company's books is now underway, with a report expected in 6 months. The markets didn't take the news lightly either. Gensol shares hit the lower circuit and are now down nearly 90% from their all-time high. And it's not just numbers on a screen. Over 1 lakh retail investors hold shares in Gensol. For many, this scandal has wiped out significant savings. While Anmol Singh Jaggi has denied any wrongdoings, SEBI's findings paint a damning picture. We'll be watching this story closely because what happens next could have major implications for India's startup ecosystem, investor confidence, and corporate accountability. Stay tuned.